Welcome Z Squad to my YouTube channel. Today we're making butter pie crust. So it's a pie crust with just butter instead of shortening. We're gonna need 2.5 cups of flour with a teaspoon of salt, kosher salt if you have it. We're gonna need 2.5 sticks of butter cubed, make sure they're cold, and a half cup plus a few tablespoons of cold water. You're also going to need a food processor or a blender. You're going to want to take the top off, put all the flour in there, and then you're going to want to pulse it a few times just to get if there's any clumps out. Now what you're going to do is put a little bit of butter in at a time. Just so it evenly, so it doesn't clog up the machine. And you're going to want to pulse it and see if we can put more in. We should be able to put most of it in, if not all. Just test your blender to see if you can or not, because it depends on the blender. Sometimes it gets clogged, sometimes it does not. Just pulse for about maybe 10 to 15 times. Now what you want to do, add the water. Now this blender has a top that can come off. Pour it in. Now we're gonna put the sauce again. You may need to grab a spoon or a spatula real quick, just to move it around a bit to get it evenly nice. Now what you're gonna want to do is put it on the table. I would suggest getting flour, a little bit on the table. Take all the pie dough, give it a little tap. That's why you need the spatula. It is nice and thick. The flour's on the table so it doesn't stick too much. You may need to add more flour. Now, flour your hands a little bit. And what you're going to want to do is sort of knead it. Cover. See, it's very sticky and doughy. So you're gonna need more flour. It's just so you can work with it. Then this, need a little bit more. You don't want to overwork it because gluten will form, and we don't want it to be overly tough. We want it to be able to spread nicely. Now we are going to chill it in the fridge, let's say for an hour or overnight depending. That should be good. And what you want to do is you're going to want to get saran wrap. You could use a plastic bag. I would suggest saran wrap. We're back from washing our hands. Might need more than one piece. You're gonna set this on here. Make a little ball of some sort. Just, work it. Just put a little bit of flour on it before you set it on there. Wrap it up, and then wrap it up, put it in the fridge for an hour or overnight, it will be ready to work for a pie or whatever recipe you'd like to use. Thank you for watching. Remember to live, love, repeat. See you guys next time.